We're going to be talking about 5 things that might be holding you back from success as a detailer. The first thing that might be holding you back from success is making excuses for things that you cannot control. I have seen this in numerous industries, in my current job, in prior jobs with leading edge detailing, and in prior jobs in other industries, be it FMCG, project management, sales management, you name it. The common trait of somebody who is not succeeding is they make excuses for things they cannot control. Things like, I live in a bad demographic, the economy is bad, customers don't want it, there's too much competition. As soon as you get yourself in the way of thinking that there is a reason why you're not succeeding and it's beyond your control and there's nothing you can do about it, you have just guaranteed your failure. The best thing to do is to look at what you can control. If people don't want what you have to offer, ask yourself, do I need to present it in a different way? Do I need to promote it in a different way? Or do I need to offer something else to cater for what people are wanting? It's as simple as that. The more you have in your control, the more chances you will have of succeeding. And believe me when I say this, I have had many cases where somebody has said something is not going to work, and then they change the way of thinking and it has worked. Or otherwise, we've had sales reps come in and say, we cannot do this because of this. And eventually they failed. A new sales rep has come in with a different way of thinking, and the same customers that did not want the product started buying it. So that is the number one cause of failure that is holding you back from success. The next thing holding you back from success is procrastination. Getting onto your phone, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Netflix, you name it. Finding excuses to do things other than work. If you have a job, just do it. If you have spare time, sit down and think about what you can do with that time to make money. Use every minute that you have that you want to dedicate for work, working. If you're physically doing a job, just get that job done, get it out of the way, and then go have fun in your life. If you don't have work, if it's a rainy day, if there are no bookings, spend that day thinking how you can get more work instead of spending that day enjoying life and then crying about why you don't have any bookings. The next item that might be holding you back from success is poor planning. Always have a plan. Even if you are completely happy with how you're doing things and what you're doing, if you want continued success, have a plan. Look at what you're doing now, think about where you want to be in the future, have big goals, break them down into smaller goals, and then action those smaller goals one by one. Because at the end of the day, nobody's going to do your goals for you other than yourself. So sit down and have plans for your income, plans for your bookings, plans for your own career, plans for your workshop, plans for your mobile setup, whatever it is. Plan even for your bookings ahead. Sit down and think about what bookings you have next week and what the best, most efficient way to do those bookings will be. Number 4 on our list, and it is probably one of the worst ones, is no marketing. If you don't invest in marketing yourself and promoting your business, you are no different to somebody who has opened up a coffee shop and you're praying for people to walk past and for some reason walk into your shop and grab a coffee. Unfortunately, it doesn't work like that unless you are in a very busy street or a very busy shopping center. But we are detailers, we are not coffee shops. You cannot really rely on people walking past. So you must market yourself, you must market your business. Even if times are good, continue investing in your marketing, continue advertising, continue posting on social media, because when things go quiet, that is when your marketing is going to pay for itself. People are going to come to you instead of the competition because they have seen you, they have heard about you, you have a reputation, you have brand equity. Where that competitor of yours who didn't invest in their marketing and didn't really take effort in promoting their website, their social media, their business and themselves is going to pretty much die off because nobody's going to know about them. So marketing is very important. Finally, and the 5th thing that might be holding you back from success is poor business ethics. People not replying back to messages, not replying back to quotes, not replying back to phone calls, speaking to customers poorly, not making them feel welcome, not making them feel appreciated. Always, no matter how busy you are, do not get arrogant, be humble and have great business ethics, because that customer that you're allowing to walk away because you're too busy to get back to their quote, you're too busy to get back to their message, you're going to wish you had them when you're quiet. So always put customers number one when they are in the right, of course, but stay firm when they are in the wrong, and always reply back to people. I have had many cases where I have sent IGL leads to specific detailers who are no longer with us. They never bothered getting back to that customer. People are giving you an opportunity to make a sale. Make that sale, appreciate them inquiring, and get that booking. So make sure you always work as a professional, not as a typical tradie that is too busy to get back to customers. I hope these 5 tips have helped you in becoming more successful as a detailer and an applicator. Please make sure to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you like these tips and if you want to learn more, make sure to jump on our Teachable platform where you can learn everything you need to know about becoming a successful applicator of IGL coatings and a successful detailer. Thank you for watching.